Hi there and welcome to Artist Gemini's channel. My name is Amina Zara, her virtual AI assistant. I'm here to help you learn how to use d-id.com. If you're new to the platform or just looking for some guidance, you've come to the right place. In this channel, we'll be exploring all the ins and outs of d-id.com, from how to sign up to how to use its various features. As a first-time user myself, I understand how overwhelming it can be to navigate a new platform. That's why I'm here to share my experiences, insights, and tips to help you get the most out of it. But before we dive in, I want to ask you to do me a favor. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll help me reach more people like you and you can keep us in your algorithms. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. With your support, we can build a community of highly trained AI operators and users who are informed, engaged, and connected. So thank you for joining me, and let's get started on this exciting journey together.
All right, so we're gonna just jump straight into this. How did y'all like Amina Zaira? Isn't she dope? So we're basically just gonna be learning how to make that. And I've already pulled up the artificial intelligence software, what we're gonna be using today, which is DID. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is just go to the platform. I already have an account, but for the video sake, I'm gonna go ahead and make another account. Um, we can just do a little free trial. I'll use another email address. It took me to my account, so I need to try to log out of here. Okay, here we go. So they have on here create video, and then it'll have your video library. And then this is just the API documentation. If you know what API is, they have the support team, and then their different pricing plans. But if you're new to this and you just want to try it out for the first time, just go ahead and dive right on in. Okay. So I'm going to click on create video. And I just think that this is really cool if you use your mind and start playing around with a couple of things. When I first got on here, I actually uploaded my own images from my phone. So you cannot use an Instagram picture or like any type of picture with filters or something like that because it's not going to be supported. So please just take a regular picture with your camera, or if you have a Canon or something like that, a phone, send it to here by way of email or something like that. All I did was send it to my email and then download it from there and then inserted it here where it says add. So once I add, it's going to take me to input my email. And for this video, I'm just going to use one of my business emails. And why I'm on sign in instead of sign up. Hello. I'm just going to put Jazzy. Hey. Going to ask for your name, your email, and then your password. Now, again, I'm just doing a free trial. I'm just click sign up. I'm going to click save. And now they're just going to ask me to verify my email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a different page on my Brave browser. I'm going to go to one of my inboxes and I'm just going to switch over emails. Hopefully I'll be able to blur some of this out for the video's sake. So if this takes too long, I'm just going to chop this video up and make it real fast. But here is the verify your email that they sent to me. And all I'm going to do is confirm my account. And it's going to take me back to the home page, which is the interface. And we can get started from here again. Go to create video. Really simple. Go to add. Now, it does have requirements on here. So let me just read them to you. It says medium shot, frontal facing, neutral facing expressions, closed mouth, minimal head size within the image, 200 by so I'm just going to go, and they ask for those specific requirements so that they can basically integrate the artificial intelligence into the facial structure, so that it can properly say your script for you. Okay. So DID is, to me, is just a different type of software and application that you can create virtual assistants with. You can create your customer service reps with. You can create introductions to your videos with. You can create introductions for a visual book. Like, there's so many things that you can do with this application to just, spice up your video. You met Amina. So I'm going to choose my Artist Gemini avatar. Let's play around with her. Okay. And if you look at the left bottom of the screen, they actually give you 20 free credits to work with. And I think they charge like $5 a credit for you to generate a video. So don't even worry about that. You can make another email and keep doing it like that if you don't want to pay for the plan or support the platform in that type of way. Okay. So over here to the right side of the interface of the screen, you have your script and where you can input your own audio. Okay. So I love this. I super duper duper love this because you can hear how people sound, you can time it, you can add breaks, and they have this new feature to continue your text using AI. Okay. So what I did was I used AI and I just came up with my own script and prompt by using ChatGPT, because why not? They're my assistant. So let's go to ChatGPT real quick. And wrong ChatGPT, wrong ChatGPT there. I'm gonna go to new chats, and I'm going to start off by saying I need a introduction for my music video. I'm just simple, okay? So I'm going to let that generate, all right? And I'm going to show you something else. They have audio to where you can upload your own voice. So what I did yesterday for my Instagram reel, I actually voice recorded myself and said a little script, and I sent this to my email, and I downloaded it on this platform, and then I just uploaded it here. Okay. So that's why you guys seen that I sounded exactly the same. But you can use different type of voices as well. You don't have to use your own voice if you don't want to. You can be a different character on a different day. Do whatever it is that you want to do, So there we go. So all I'm gonna do here is copy and paste with Control C. I'm gonna go back to DID. I'm gonna go back to script. I'm gonna press paste as plain text. Okay. Now here's where the fun part comes in, where you can listen to
an introduction for a music video, can set the tone and create anticipation for the rest of the video. It's a chance to grab your audience's attention.
Okay, so as you can see, her name is Jenny, and that's Jenny's voice. I don't really like Jenny's voice, so we're gonna see what other options that they have. So they have Jenny multilingual. They got Amber, Anna, Ari, Ashley. So they have feminine and masculine, different type of script voices for your automated video. Okay. So for this video, I think I'm just gonna do regular Jenny multilingual, and we're going to see how she sounds. And also, if you want this in English, you can keep it in English, but if not, if you speak a different language, you can also use a different language, but I'm just going to use English for this video. All right. And they also do have styles. I'm not sure if the styles is not available because I have not paid for the plan, and this is just the free version, but I'm pretty sure that they have different styles to where you can, it can sound different and you can do different things with it. I don't think there's too much of choices, but I think it'll still be fun. So again, I chose Jenny, and this is what Jenny sounds like.
An introduction for a music video can set the tone and create anticipation for the rest of the video.
Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm just going to quickly generate this video. They're going to give me this. They're going to charge me 4 credits for this video, and I'm just going to hit generate. This is real simple, really easy. I can chop this video down and make it like a 1-minute reel if I really wanted to, but I wanted to make this a YouTube video only because I'm creating new content. This is the time of the season where I make the most content during the year, because during like October through January, I'm sort of in hibernation. So don't mind me. So now it's generating your video. All right. So it says we successfully generated your video, and I'm just going to show you what the video looks like. So here we go.
An introduction for a music video can set the tone and create anticipation for the rest of the video. It's a chance to grab your audience's attention and leave a lasting impression. Here's an example introduction. Welcome to artist/band name S latest music video. Get ready to be transported to a world of electrifying beats, soulful melodies.
Okay, so you get the point here. I have successfully created my own introduction video for my music video. All right. So if you want to download this, you can download this to your computer, save it to your files, and do whatever you want to do with it. Or you can delete it if you don't like it. Okay. But you did get charged. Now you have 16 credits. Now let's go back to create video, because they do have different options for you. They do have already set in stone avatars that you can use for for presenters or presentations. This is a little cliche for me. So let's go to where the nitty-gritty is, to a portrait of. So here is something like Chat GPT or a chat bot or artificial chat box, right? So something like Midjourney. You can cross-reference it. I still haven't used Midjourney, but we'll get there soon in another video. But here you can click and you can basically give them a very detailed description prompt of what you want your avatar to look like. Okay, so they give you up to 15 uses. So they only give you 15 different avatars that you can generate in the free trial. So let's do something like I want a portrait of a let's do this. Let's start like this, because some of these prompts are really, really good. Okay, so let's do an Unreal Engine type woman with red hair and pink lips. I want this to look super realistic. Super cheesy, but you get the point. You can be as detailed as you want. You can go into charming, witty, brown eyes, blue hair, indigenous woman, Moorish descendants. You can just do whatever it is you want. Whoa. I don't like none of this stuff, so I'm not going to save it. So if you do like anything on here, you can just click add to the gallery, and where it says 1 out of 15 uses, now you've used 1 out of 15. But let's regenerate another prompt here. And let's kind of start with a hyperreal photo of a female lawyer in a black suit, light brown neat hair, modern, sleek, highly detailed, formal, serious, determined, loyal, colorized, smooth, charming, pretty, right? So they gave you very, very specific prompt details, okay? But I don't really want all of that highly neat and all of that stuff, okay? I don't even want a female lawyer. You can give me a female engineer with afro-like hair and a ponytail, but sophisticated enough for on job. Let's not do that. That was not giving. But sophisticated, comma, Afrocentric, eyes, dark brown, hair color, dark brown, with dimples. I want this to, let's just do it with dimples. And now we're going to generate something. I'm being very cheesy right now, okay? I'm not going to give away all the sauce. Like, you guys have your own mind. You guys can do this on your own, right? All right. Well, they gave us some beautiful black women, all right? None of them is giving me engineering vibes, but excuse me, who does? All right, so I'm just going to add her to my gallery just so that you guys can see what I'm going to do with her. And I'm going to type here, hey, my name is Frazira. I'm from England and I am in need of your help today with some functions on some functions and descriptions for my home robot. And I'm going to change the voice to Anna. Ah, dang. Let's go back. Look. It says styles are now available. So they have assistant, chat, customer service, newscast, angry, cheerful, sad, excited, friendly, terrified, shouting, unfriendly, whispering, and hopeful. So let's just do friendly.
Hey, my name is Frizera. I'm from England, and I am in need of your help today with some functions and descriptions for my home robot.
Do you have some time? Time for me? Okay, so now we're going to generate that video. It's only charging us 1 credit. And again, you guys, do what you want with this. I think it's just a really cool application that'll be useful.
Hey, my name is Frizera. I'm from England, and I am in need of your help today with some functions and descriptions for my home robot. Do you have some time for me?
Yes, I do. So that's really the end of this video. There's not too many things to do with DID, but it is useful, okay, for minuscule things, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to leave me a comment down if you want more artificial intelligent AI videos, okay? Peace.